In this video I will show you how to use this smartwatch, as well how to charge it and how to turn it on and off and several other things. The smartwatch goes by several names: B33, FD68, Y56. They're the same watch, just maybe different brand or packaging, but the same manufacturer. So to turn on this watch, the first time you get it, it probably will be completely discharged, and you need to first charge it up before it will turn on. So you can use any USB port and simply plug it in. Bear in mind that some ports aren't really working with this watch, so if it isn't working the first time, try with another USB port. Then, as you plug it in and it starts charging, it will also power on. And if it's already charged up, the way you power it on is by pressing somewhere at the bottom here on the screen and holding it for few seconds, and it powers on. If you want to power it off, go to your menus where it says more and long press it, then cycle to this menu where it says this power on button off, and long press at the end at the bottom screen here. And all of these buttons are completely fake and they're not real buttons, so don't try to press them, they're not real. Also, the touchscreen isn't real. Okay, so to use it, this touchscreen isn't real either. So the way you control it is by pressing somewhere on the bottom of the watch, around here. I'm not sure exactly where, as it's not any indicators, but you just press. You see, just press, goes through menus, and if you want to access any menus, you simply long press in the same way. So if you want to start the heart rate measurement and stuff like this, you just long press. Okay, so it started measuring. By the way, this heart rate measurement is completely fake. It will provide value even if it's not on your wrist. Let's see. I would really suggest to ask a refund for this watch, as it's completely fake. And I don't know how the Chinese guys get away with producing such garbage. This is fake. Okay, to go back, you have to press again once. So we got, again, if you want to access notifications, again, long press. Okay, to go back, again, long press. Some apps need to be pressed once and some needs to be pressed twice. Okay, and then if you want to connect it to your phone, make sure you watch my other video. It is fairly long process and I have a separate video on it. As well as I have 5 different videos on this watch. I have a full review how to use this in this video. Also the accuracy test of the step counter and other stuff, and destruction test, and many more videos about this watch. Make sure you watch them if you want to set it up. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!